The JOMISE 4K dual dashcam offers impressive dual camera recording with a front camera capturing in stunning 4K resolution and a rear camera in 1080p resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage from every angle. Its user-friendly 3.16-inch IPS touchscreen allows for easy navigation through video recordings, playback, and settings, making it accessible and convenient for any user. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, this dash cam allows seamless wireless control and real-time sharing of your driving experiences, as well as precise location and speed tracking. The loop recording feature ensures continuous video capture by overwriting the oldest footage, while the G-sensor locks and protects video during sudden impacts or movements. Equipped with a 24-hour parking monitor, this dash cam provides security by automatically recording when it detects motion or impact while parked, although a separate hardwire kit is needed. Designed to endure harsh weather conditions, the JOMISE J6 utilizes a supercapacitor for optimal performance and longevity, making it reliable in both extreme heat and cold.